Hey, hello everyone. Today I come back with some interesting online courses for JavaScript and all the courses links are given below in the description box. Must go and check out that links also and subscribe our channel on Course of that for more updates related to the online courses and click on the bell icon to get notified whenever the new video is uploaded. So here the first course is a complete JavaScript course from zero to expert. Here you will learn about the JavaScript with the help of challenges, projects and theory, and this course is on the Udemy designed by the Jonas Commitment, and here you will learn the some essentials of the JavaScript, including Bloom, logics, functions, variables, strings, and you will learn how to work as a developer, how to build your code with the help of common pattern and flowcharts. You will able to practice your learning with the help of 50 plus assignments and challenges are here for the JavaScript, and you will learn more employable as a you would be learn as a JavaScript how the JavaScript work. This course is for someone who wants to gain deep knowledge about JavaScript, and this course is mostly been helpful for the learners who wants to do work with the library called Angular, Node, React in future. And this course is definitely beneficial for those who have already know about something about the JavaScript and want to learn advanced topics of advanced topics in JavaScript. Then must go for this course, yeah. And if you want it, then go and check out the link given below and register yourself right now and start learning. So our second course is the complete web development course, and here you will learn about the Java, not only the JavaScript, but also about the other web app development applications such as HTML, Node, MongoDB, CSS, Web, React, and DApps. This course you will find on the Udemy, and after this course you will would able to capable for the enough to apply for the position of the junior developer, and here you will learn some new technologies like React, JavaScript, Node, and you will learn how to do backend development while using Node. You After this course you would able to create fully function web apps and websites for the businesses and startups. This course for someone who wants to create their own website or web apps for their businesses or their startup, or someone else and want to learn some advanced programs of JavaScript. You can also go for this course if you want to learn how to write code with the help of useful projects. If you want to learn or if you want to create apps or websites, then go for this course and check out the link given below in the description box. So yeah, now next course is the understanding the weird part of JavaScript. It is created by Anthony Alicia, and this course is also found on the Udemy. This is an intermediate course for JavaScript where you will learn where you know about the closures, prototypes, and scopes. You will understand the fundamentals of JavaScript and how to work it, and you will learn how to create your own JavaScript frameworks. After this course, you would able to write the excellent JavaScript code. You would able to grasp more advanced concepts like prototypes, inheritance, IFCs, closures, and many other concepts are there. This course for especially for the newcomers or the advanced JavaScript coders who wish to improve their knowledge of this language and want to avoid their writing code errors and want to learn. And this course for someone who also had difficulty learning the concepts like closures and objects and prototypes and advanced concepts also. If you want to improve your knowledge, if you want to avoid your error mistakes and want to learn the new concepts also, then go for this course. Check out the link given below in the description box also. Now the next one, the fourth one is the complete guide course of our JavaScript from beginners to the advanced level. Hey, this course also on the Udemy, and here you will gonna learn about the HTTP requests, handling coding, and you must learn about knowing the concepts of JavaScript development. After the completing of this course, you're capable for the applying of jobs and related to the JavaScript, any jobs related to JavaScript. He will learn performance of optimizing and meta programming. You learn about the things, objects, functions, variables, arrays. This course for the newcomers in the web development with little to no experience of in JavaScript. Here people with the advanced knowledge about JavaScript, who wants to expand their knowledge on this subject. You can also this subject can also adopt this course. And if you want to learn more about the JavaScript, then go and check out the link given below in the description box. Now, the last course is the Advanced Concepts of JavaScript. This course is also on the Udemy. This course is an advanced course made for the JavaScript developers. Here you are gonna learn about the JavaScript, advanced JavaScript practices, and learn about the prototypes, chain plus inheritance, functional programming, inheritance versus compositions, and learn about the error handling, garbage collections, memory leaks, type of concerns. This course is for people who know the basics and want to gain more knowledge about the JavaScript, or they are junior JavaScript developers or web developers and want to become advanced level JavaScript developer. Then go for this course and check out the link given below in the description box. So here all the courses are ended, and the links of all the courses are links given in the description box. Make sure you go and check out at that, and for which course you're gonna enroll yourself, comment it that also, and click on the subscribe button and bell icon so that you get updated more about the online courses. Thanks for watching. Goodbye, all of you.